Today is Saturday, August 25th. The time is 10:04 p.m. This is Memman101. This is the 2012 Topps Finest Baseball Break, break number 3. Good luck, everybody. Mets, David Wright. Phillies, Cole Hamels. Royals Refractor, Eric Hosmer. Rockies, Troy Tulowitzki. Nationals, Steve Lombardozzi, rookie. Red Sox, Dustin Pedroia. Tigers, Justin Verlander, green refractor, serial numbered 109 out of 199. Nationals, Finest Moments, Steven Strasburg. Brewers rookie, Willie Peralta. A's rookie, Yoenis Cespedes. Rangers, Adrian Beltre. Phillies, Roy Halladay. Minnesota Twins, rookie autograph, Liam Hendricks. Serial number 48 out of 299. Rockies rookie, Willen Rosario. Yankees rookie, Austin Romine. Marlins, Hanley Ramirez. Braves, Chipper Jones. Reds, Refractor, Joey Votto. Braves, Dan Uggla. Brewers, Ryan Braun. Mets rookie, Kirk Nomenowitz. Diamondbacks rookie, Wade Miley. Faces of the franchise, Diamondbacks, Justin Upton. Giants, Brian Wilson. Dodgers, Matt Kemp. And the last pack for the first mini box. Rangers rookie, Yu Darvish. Twins rookie, Liam Hendricks. Twins refractor, Joe Mauer. Rangers, Michael Young. Rangers again, Nelson Cruz. And the second mini box. Braves rookie, Tyler Pasternicki. Albert Pujols, refractor. 2012 autograph rookie card, number 3 redemption. Not sure who that is. I'll see if I can find it out and put details in the break. Yankees, CC Sabathia. Alex Liddy, Mariners rookie. Angels, Jared Weaver. Red Sox, Josh Beckett. Reds, Zach Kozar. Green refractor, serial numbered 157 out of 199. Finest moments, Blue Jays, Brett Lowry. Tigers rookie, Drew Smiley. Red Sox, Jacoby Ellsbury. Red Sox again, John Lester. Phillies, Game Changers, Roy Halladay. White Sox, rookie, Addison Reed. Twins rookie, Chris Parmalee. Nationals rookie, Bryce Harper. Orioles rookie, Taishori Iwata. Nice hit for the Nationals, Bryce Harper, jersey, autograph, serial number 68 out of 99. Mariners, Ichiro Suzuki. Jose Reyes, Marlins. Angels, Mike Trout. Brewers, Gallardo. Rangers, refractor, Ian Kinsler. Tigers, Miguel Cabrera. Rangers, Josh Hamilton. And the last pack, Rockies, Drew Pomeranz, rookie. Blue Jays, Brett Lowry. Yankees refractor, Mark Teixeira. Diamondbacks, Ian Kennedy. And the last card, Rays, Ivan Longoria. Thank you everybody for bidding. Please check out my other eBay box breaks. Currently listed for baseball box breaks, I have another 2012 Topps Finest. For basketball box breaks, I have 2011-12 Panini Limited. For football box breaks, for 2011, I have Panini Gold Standard. And for 2012 football, both ending tomorrow, I have Topps Inception and the brand new Topps Finest Football.